Today I'm making a video showing you how to troubleshoot your blinker on your 2000-ish Dodge Dakota. So we replaced this turn signal switch because that was the first idea and it did not fix it. And this was pretty easy to replace. It just took like 2 security bits and then one that holds on the harness. And that was easy anyway. So this is up under the dash and here's the part number. And we replaced it with an AutoZone. We replaced it with this right here, or sorry, EP27. And now they're working. So this thing, you don't have to tear the dash apart actually. You have to crawl up under here. Let's see if I can get this on camera. Alright, so point of reference, there's the brake pedal. It's bright green, so you can't miss it. It's up. Follow the bottom of the white on the fuse box and go up, and it's right there. Right there. It's hard to point to. But yeah, at the very top, it goes in the very top slot. We got one before that was a RY116, I think, or RY119 by a different brand, and it actually didn't work, even though the pins were right. We go to AutoZone and get this other one, much better. So I hope that helps someone and saves them a whole day. Thanks for watching. If your brake lights aren't working, under the hood, there's a 20 amp fuse right here. It's the third one in, so it's 15, 20, 20. That last one, check that one.